How to move a partition. In this video, we will show you how to move a partition. Moving a partition requires adjacent unallocated space. We'll use free tool Partition Resizer. In this case, first right-click the F. Choose Move. Move it. You can move it slightly or move it entirely. And click OK. And then move the E, right-click E. Choose Move, and then move it. Click OK. If there are other partitions, like FI Recovery or OEM Partition, you may right-click, Move, and when the cursor shows cross arrows, move. And then the unallocated space will be changed here. Click OK. You may click Apply Changes now. And we can see the partitions have been moved here. And the last step, if you want to extend C, you may right-click C, Resize. When the cursor shows double arrows, drag its border to add the unallocated space. Click OK and then click Apply Changes. Then the C drive has been expanded. We will show you some other cases. Just now, case number 1 was illustrated. To move a partition, it needs unallocated space. Number 2, if you want to move the E to end of the disk, or another disk. Let's use the E drive as an example. To move it to the end of the disk. That is, to clone the E for backup first. Copy the partition and choose the unallocated space. Drag the partition to position. Drag it to the end if you want to put it at the end. If you want to clone it to the end of disk and name it H, change its drive letter here. This is a copy of the E drive. And now this is E, and this is H. Click Apply Changes. Now H is the same as the E drive. Then you can delete the E partition. Note, if you have installed software on the E, some of the installed programs may stop working. Now E is gone, and it has been changed to the H. And now we rename it to E. This is what looks like in disk management. And for the case number 3, if you want to move a partition with disk full of partitions, when partitions stuffed on the disk, you cannot move a partition. For example, let's create the partitions to stuff the disk. If the disk is full of partitions with no unallocated space, then you cannot move it. So that's moving a partition with Partition Resizer. Thanks for watching.